Just as not everyone who works in a hospital is a doctor, not everyone who works in a library is a librarian. There are a wide varieties of jobs to be done, and all are important. Whether it's putting the books on the shelves, paying bills, answering questions, hiring staff, or preparing a story time, they all must be done to keep the library running. Job titles and descriptions vary from library to library, but there are some similarities. Look through the samples below to gain a better understanding of what type of job might be right for you. Today we have many different titles/job titles for the librarian profession. Acquisitions Assistant, Acquisitions Librarian, Associate Dean, Collections Manager, Corporate Librarian, Corporate Researcher, Data Bank Coordinator, Director of Information Resources, Documentalist, Head of Reference, Information Brokers, Information Center Specialist, Information Resource Manager, Information Services Manager, Information Specialist, Knowledge Management Administrator, Legal Information Specialist, Legal Researcher, Library Administrator, Library Director or Manager, Library Media Teacher, Library Specialist, Library Technician, Manager, Competitive Knowledge, Manager, Corporate Information Center, Manager, Knowledge Center Manager, Library, and Intranet Development, Manager, Library Services Manager, Research, Manager, Technical Information, News Researcher, Media Specialist, Principal Researcher, Professor, Public Services Coordinator, Public Services Librarian, Reference Assistant, Research Specialist, Resource Center Manager, Science Reference Coordinator, Senior Library Assistant, Senior Library Specialist, Serials Specialist, Subject Librarian, Systems Librarian, Technical Librarian, Technical Resource Analyst, Web Librarian, Cataloger, Classifiers, Bibliographer,